When Tesla released the Model S Plaid, it took the world by storm. A four-door family sedan where you can take the kids to school and run a 0 to 60 time faster than a Bugatti Chiron. You guys have heard the stats, 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds and 1,020 horsepower, making it the fastest sedan in the world. Now, one-upping that is no easy feat, but Tesla has done it again with this, the Tesla Model X Plaid. Now, nobody needs a 1,000 horsepower sedan, and definitely nobody needs a 1,020 horsepower six-seater SUV. Except for me, and probably everyone watching this video. It is truly breathtaking. Tesla claims the Model X Plaid can sprint from 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 2.5 seconds, despite having an incredible amount of space for your family. Now, after running some independent tests, I actually clocked the Model S Plaid to 60 in just 2.3 seconds. Boom! Whoa! Faster than what Tesla is claiming. Now, apparently they make the same amount of power, although there's no way to really know that, and the Tesla Model X Plaid weighs about 700 pounds more. There's never been a real-world test of the X versus the S. So in today's video, we're gonna put them head-to-head from multiple standstill races to some roll races to determine how much faster is the Model S Plaid than the X, or are they actually the same speed? Since we have the two next to each other, I figured I'd go over a little bit of the interior details and differences between the two. One of the most controversial elements is this yoke steering wheel, although after having the car for a couple months, I have grown totally used to it. I am curious what the car would be like, though, with a normal steering wheel. Hopping on into the Model X Plaid now, this car actually has self-opening doors, so if you have the key in your pocket, the front door will open itself. You step into the interior, and then with your foot on the brake, the car actually closes the door itself for you. Oh, thank you, Jeeves. Now, if we want to close those Falcon doors, click Close All, and they are closing. I'm extremely excited, guys. Let's get these two out on the road and do some racing. Headed to our top secret drag strip location, and I am incredibly excited to see what happens here. Obviously, the Model S has an advantage given its weight advantage, but did Tesla add some extra oomph to their SUV? It feels ridiculously fast from the seat of the pants feel, and from that V-Box 2.3 second 0 to 60, it clearly is unbelievably fast. So let's see which car is actually quicker. All right, to get the Model S set up, we'll go to pedals and steering, then drag strip mode. Oh man, I'm excited. Oh baby, won't you say something? No running, you got me thinking about the state I'm in. Going back to that place we met. Yeah, I've been feeling. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Go! You're feeling spent, but I know you want it. I know you want it. Oh my god, that was so much closer than I was expecting. Okay, let's run it back. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. 3, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now that we got a couple dig races out of the way, it's clear the Model S Plaid has a slight advantage over the Model X, which is what we anticipated. But let's see how much that weight difference comes into play when we do some roll races. Let's see, I'm really curious. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. It is just so ridiculous, and it does not get old how fast this car is. And then I can just drive on the way home, put autopilot on, and ride in soft suspension and nice luxury leather seats. It truly is unbelievable. Now, a bunch of people have asked me recently, as a car guy, do you actually like driving a Tesla Model S Plaid as your daily? And I'll be honest, it was a really, really scary thing for me to spend $150,000 on this car, never having owned an electric car before, and wondering, am I gonna like it for about a month and then be bored to tears after all it does is go fast in a straight line? Well, I'm pleased to report that honestly couldn't be further from the truth. This car does so much more than go 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. It handles exceptionally well in the canyons. It's super comfortable as a daily driver. If you've got a long commute and you need to get some work done on the commute and you're doing calls, it's so nice to have autopilot, particularly over long distances. The sound system is amazing. And honestly, the white seats are holding up really well. I thought they were going to be problematic and maybe be dyed by my jeans, and they were temporarily. But I got one of those foam magic eraser things, dipped it in water, scrubbed the seats down, wiped it away, and they are good as new. I gotta give a huge shout out to my friend Joey Rogoff. I've got his Instagram right here. Give him a follow for making this video possible. Not only did he make it so I could do the first ever Model X Plaid review in the world, we also got the world's exclusive Model X Plaid versus S Plaid race. Seriously, thank you so much, man. All right, let's go back to the rooftop and discuss what happened. Well, I knew the Tesla Model X Plaid was going to be fast. It actually blew me away how close it was in acceleration to the Model S. The fact that you can buy a car for $120,000, yes, this is actually $3,000 less than the Model S Plaid, that can run door to door with a Bugatti Veyron or Chiron is absolutely ridiculous. From a dig, the cars were relatively even until higher speeds, and from a roll, it was even closer. Seriously, good job, Tesla. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.